Morning students, welcome back to computer science classes of class 12. Today in this session we will be learning SQL join. SQL join is used to fetch data from two or more tables which is joined to appear as a single set of data. So it is used for combining columns from two or more tables by using some common values to both tables. So basically you have to have common fields in two different tables with which you want to join. So the join keyword is used in SQL queries for joining two or more tables. So the minimum condition for joining table is the number of tables, and a table can also join to itself, which is also known as self join. Now let us start with the types of joining. What are the different types of joins we have? It is inner, outer, left and right. So first we will be learning cross join or Cartesian product. The cross join is also known as Cartesian product. So this type of join returns the Cartesian product of rows from the tables in join. It will return a table which consists of records which combines each row from the first table with each row of second table. Let us see what is the syntax. Like select column name list from table name 1, cross join table name 2. So how we can get it? Let us see the example. Like we have got a class table with ID and name. There are 3 records entered, 1 Abhi, 2 Adam and 4 Alex. And next class info, another table with ID address. So you can see common value is ID, common field is ID in both the table as class table and another is class info table. So when you will cross them, when you will cross join or you will Cartesian product, you will do that. Then you have to write select star from class cross join class info. So cross join is the keyword you have to write. So what is the resultant set you are going to get? ID name, ID address. So you are getting it. That first table has come in the first on the right side, on the left side as ID name, and the second table, the info table, has come on the right side. And then all the values you will get as 1 Abhi, 1 Delhi, then 2 Adam, 1 Delhi, 4 Alex, 1 Delhi. So that means it is basically one with everyone. So I will just show you how we are getting it. Like we can take an example in some other way, like it is just like a mapping. If you have got 1, 2, 3, this is one table and another table 1, 4, 5. So 1 with 1, 1 with 4, 1 with 5. Then 2 with 1, 2 with 4, 2 with 5, 3 with 1, 3 with 4, 3 with 5. Like this the results are shown, like 1 Abhi with Abhi, 1 Delhi, 2 Mumbai, 3 Chennai, like this. Just see 1 Abhi, 1 Delhi, 2 Adam, 1 Delhi, 4 Alex, 1 Delhi, then again 1 Abhi, 2 Mumbai, 2 Adam, 2 Mumbai. So each and every time it is fixed. I hope the Cartesian product is understood or the cross join is clear to all of you. Next we have got inner join or equi-join. This is a simple join in which result is based on matched data as per the quality condition. Now how to write the syntax? Select column name list from table name 1, inner join table name 2, where the condition is given table name 1 dot column name is equal to table name 2 dot column name. Now let us see, take the same example of table, class table, ID and name. and class info table. And if you want to do the inner join with these two tables, we'll write select star from class inner join class info, where class dot id is equal to class info dot id. Now what will be the resultant set? Same id name, id address. Now 1 Abhi, 1 Delhi, 2 Adam, 2 Mumbai, 3 Alex, 3 Chennai. I hope this is clear to you. Just we are keeping it. Okay, with 1 we are getting 1. So we are just getting the values like this. With 1, the 1 is coming, with 2, the 2 is coming, with 3, 3, and with 4, 4. This is the ID, and here you will get the address. Depending upon the address, you will get the values over here. So this will be the equi-join or inner join. Now next, we have got natural join. Natural join is a type of inner join which is based on column having same name, same data type present in both the tables to be joined. Like the syntax is select star from table name, natural join, table name 2. Same table we are taking class table, then class info table. So what will be the query? Select star from class, natural join, class info, no other conditions. So what will be the output? Just see, since ID is the common name, common field, we are not repeating as we were repeating it in inner join or the Cartesian product. So just ID 1, 2, 3, 4 and the name and address. So this is the natural join. I hope you have understood. So in this above example, both the tables being joined with ID column, so it is not repeated again. Hence the records for which value ID matches in both the tables will be the result of natural join. Suppose, just see over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is there in the class table, but in info table 4 is not there. So in output you will not get the value called 4. So this is the basic difference. Okay. But over here okay, this is clear. Now next we will move to outer join. Now this outer join is based on both matched and unmatched data. Like natural join was basically on the matched data, but here outer join is matched with done with matched and unmatched both the data. Now we have got two categories of outer join. We have got left outer join, right outer join and full outer join. Let us discuss one by one. We will start with left outer join. The left outer join returns the resultant set table with matched data from two tables and then remaining rows of the left table and the null from the right table columns. Let us see how it works. First the syntax, table name, select column name list from table name 1, left outer join table name 2, on table name 1 dot column name equal to table name 2 dot column name. So to specify this condition we use on keyword. Okay. So let us see the table example. The class table is ID name and the info table is ID address. These are the two different tables. So the class table is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the input, and for ID address 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Now when we will do the outer join, we will write the query as select star from class left outer join class info on class.id equal to class info.id. So what will be the resultant set? Just see, 1 Abhi, 2 Adam, 3 Alex, 1 Delhi, 2 Mumbai, 3 Chennai. These are the common, and when the rest one of the left table will be shown with rest as null. I'll explain it again in some other way. Just see, if you have got 1, 2, 3 in one table and in other table 1, 2 and 5. So this is the left table, this is the right table. So when you will get the output as 1, 1, 2, 2 and for 3 you will get null. You will not specify 5, but for 3 you will write null. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now moving to right outer join, just the opposite of left outer join, the matched data of both the things and the unmatched of right table with null values of remaining left table columns. Let's see. The syntax is same, just in place of left outer join you will write right outer join. Just see over here. Now the same table, class table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the class info table 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. And for right outer join we will write the query as select star from class right outer join class info on class.id class info.id. This on keyword is very important. So how your output will be there? 1 Abhi, 1 Delhi, 2 Adam, 2 Mumbai, 2 Alex, 3 Alex, 3 Chennai. Now the right outer, the right table which will be having the unmatched one 7, 8 and the null values for the left one. I hope you have understood. The left outer and the right outer are just opposite to each other. Next we have got full outer join. Full outer join returns a resultant set table with matched data and then remaining rows both left and right. So just see, this is very interesting. This will cover both right and left outer join. Okay. So the full outer join will give the values of both left outer join and right outer join. Just will see with the same table as class table and class info table. How you will write the query? Same, class star, select star from class full outer join class info on class.id equal to class info.id. So you will write ID, name, ID, address you will get. So this is the left table, this is the left table, this is the right table, you are getting it. And then 1, 2, these are till here it was matched, till third it was matched and now it starts with the unmatched. 4 and 5 it was unmatched for the left. So you have got the value but null value for this as the left outer join, and then for these 7 and 8 this is just the right outer join as this has got the null values. I hope the full outer join is clear to all of you. So with this we are ending our session today. I hope the SQL joins are clear to all of you and the session was fruitful and enjoying. Thank you.